Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off setting restricted by TikTok to protect your privacy. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone. And then I'm going to show you how you can fix the setting restricted by TikTok to protect your privacy problem. Before I show you how we can fix it, I'm going to show you how this problem looks like. Usually it will happen when we mention someone on TikTok. For example, guys, I'm going to mention my first account in this comment. I'm going to add a comment and I'm going to mention my first account. This is my first account guys, and as you can see that we cannot mention this person due to the privacy setting, and I'm going to show you how we can fix it. So the account need to activate the mention feature in the setting. I'm going to go to my first account. Wait, I'm going to switch it. This is my first account, and we need to turn off the we need to turn on the mention. Make sure we can be mentioned by everyone in TikTok. I'm going to click on these three lines, and then it's like the settings and privacy. Okay, and go to the privacy, and we need to scroll down until we find mentions. Make sure we select everyone so everyone on a TikTok can mention us. You can choose everyone. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to my second account to check it, whether I can mention or not. I'm going to switch it to the second account, and I'm going to try to mention my first account. I'm going to mention in this post. So I'm going to go to the comment section, and I'm going to mention my first account. As you can see guys, we can mention this account because I have turned off the restricted by TikTok to protect our privacy setting. Okay, like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to turn off setting restricted by TikTok to protect your privacy. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!